In this learning, we're going to explore setting up custom sort ID for patient files. As you notice, the sort ID is a very important field for any patient file because the sort ID is the combination of three factors in the patient file: the name, the nickname, and neckband. As you change any of these three fields, the sort ID will automatically be updated based on the mask that you set for the patient file under Tools and Options. Let's take a look how to set up the mask for the sort ID for the patient file under Tools, Options, and we're going to open that in a new tab. I'm going to click here on the tab for sort IDs, and we are going to work with this field here. I'm going to use this little gear to change this combination. And over here, I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to create one that says, first, I would like to see the nickname of the patient, if that exists, if there is one that exists. If the nickname doesn't exist, it will simply not use it. But then I'm going to say space, I'm going to put a dash, another space, and then on the next box I'm going to say put the name of that patient, and on the very third one, if there is a neckband, I'm going to say put a space and the neck band should go here. So this is a combination for me. I would like to see all my patients in this format for sort ID. First the nickname, then the name and the neckband. And I'm going to apply this format. Therefore, you're going to see it over here. I'm going to now close everything. It's ideal for you to either flush the memory or switch users to make sure it works. In my case here, I'm going to give it a try without those two just to test if that goes straight forward. I'm going to use CC here, and if that works, look what happens. I'm going to change the neckband number, and I'm going to say the neckband number is 56. It's coming as first, not necessarily like not necessarily like I said. Let me go back there and double check if I saved it. I'm going to Tools and Options again because it's not following my instructions. Let me go to the sort ID. Yeah, it's not following my instructions because I forgot to apply. This was the one that I used. I'm going to apply. Okay, now it's apply. I click OK. It's saving. So it was my bad. I'm going to close the screen. I'm going to open the screen for patient again. I didn't save anything. I'm going to select CC one more time. And I'm going to say that the neckband is now 56. It is now assuming the format like I put. Her nickname, her name is going to be Brand Sissy Champion, and her nickname is just Sissy. As you can see, as I was updating the data on those three fields, the sort ID was automatically changed as I was updating one of the fields. And this is the data that is going to show in any of the drop-down list box. I like to have those three fields because no matter if I'm searching for the patient based on the neckband, nickname, or name, I will find. That's why I would like to have those three fields in the sort ID, because the sort ID is what shows in the drop-down list boxes. Last but not least, I save this record. And from this point on, if I grab anything else here, look, this is using, I'm going to just add an S and remove, and it automatically changes, and I can save. So it was automatically changed. And you can repeat this process for as many as you want. Important is that some modification, kids call this particular one here, baby, and this is her nickname. So this is the format I saved. So today you've learned how to use sort IDs on patient files. Thanks for watching.